Figma. This is 2025. Like everybody knows Figma is in the big three of the designing tools right now in the world, if not the number one, because a lot of features in Figma that I cannot see elsewhere, from the real-time collaboration, prototyping, design system, developer handoff, cloud-based assets, like a lot of things that Figma offers today that you can't see in most designing software. And Figma have been helpful, particularly for UI designers just like me and you. And isn't that great? Isn't that wonderful? And by the way, don't mind what's on my lips. I get malaria. I dey tweet am. But that's by the way. Now the question, what is Figma? Figma now is a cloud-based design tool that allows users to create design, share design, test user interface designs and prototypes. As you are designing, you can be prototyping what you are designing to know exactly what it will look like in a particular device right inside Figma. You don't need to use an external software to connect to this software or to send to this software before prototyping your work. Like everything is inside Figma. Figma provides you these features. Figma is a popular tool for designers and product managers and developers. Developers use Figma too. Product designers, product managers, they use designers. Figma is used for creating prototype. Figma is used for designing UIs. Figma is used for sharing device designs. Figma is used for collaborating. Like you can collaborate with anybody in a particular Figma design, in a particular Figma file from any part of the world. And at the same time, people can communicate right inside Figma. Like Figma is the tool. So why not Figma? Another question is, how does Figma work? Well, like I said, Figma is a popular design tool. At the same time, Figma supports being used in the browser, and also it has an app. It's all what's it's just a matter of what is best for you or the one you can easily use for yourself. Like me now, I prefer to use the Figma app. But before even accessing the Figma app, you have to create your account in the browser. We'll get to that part of the video later because you have to set up a Figma account. Even though I'm trying to make this video short, at least five minutes long, but I think we can cover that too and set up a Figma account. On the next video, we can touch the basic tools using Figma. We can touch how to touch the design tools inside Figma and what they are used for. Designers can use Figmas, product managers can use Figmas, writers can use Figmas, and developers too can use Figma. Figma is for everybody. Figma is for you and I. Now let's set up a Figma account.